Hello everyone. Today is a very important day for Oreo. He is getting neutered. If you guys don't know, it is removing the reproductive system of a male dog. As shown in the picture, it helps the dog in different ways. He is supposed to be on empty stomach for the surgery. We can take him back in 4 to 5 hours after surgery. We just went to vet for Oreo's neutering. Actually, it's a little delayed. We were supposed to do it when he was around 7 to 8 months old, but because of the COVID, because of the lockdown, and many reasons, we had to go now. So we just went there for checkup and asked for it. He said, "Are you guys ready for today?" And we had to leave him today itself. So I left him. I'm not so happy because he was crying and all, but yeah, we had to leave him. It's all for his good. Kiki is really not happy. She is crying actually. You can see behind there. She's not happy to come in the camera. Yeah, so today in the evening we will be getting a call to pick him up once he is out of that anesthesia and all, once he becomes a little active. So I'm a little worried about the next 10 days. I don't know how to handle it. Let's see. He will come with a big cone, it seems. It's a new thing for us. We have never experienced this. I have never even seen with any other friend's dog or anything at all. Doctor said there is no need of any food restrictions or anything. We can just give him any food, and we just need to be careful that he won't lick the stitches. That's the reason they give the cone, and I can take him out for the walks. I'm a little confused now. Once he comes, I need to see how I can manage. He can wear that cone while sleeping also, it seems. I don't know how that works. So doctor reassured us that everything will be fine. Hi Oreo. Hi. Hi Oreo. Hi Bangaram. Oreo. 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 Do you want to go out? Okay. We just got Oreo home. He is still in anesthesia feeling, I think. He's still wobbly, but he's checking out the whole house. He's feeling relaxed, I feel. He was scared in the hospital for sure.
Together, it's amazing. I was hoping you weren't going to bring that up.
Sit now.
Let that slide.
Sit.
Certainly give New Zealand fans something to worry about when both players are first hit the cricket because it's the tipping around, which usually doesn't end well.
Oreo. Go. పడుకో ఓకే నిద్రలో ఉందిరా అది చూడు ఎట్లా వాలిపోయిందో అస్సలు ఎనర్జీ లేదు దానికి. He wanted to sleep on the bed here, but the cone was stuck to the bed here, so he stood just there. Doctor said the cone will be there for 1 week or 10 days. We have to go visit the doctor when after 1 week for stitch removal and all. It's very uncomfortable. Bichara, he is very uncomfortable with that cone, that's for sure. But I don't know if he is in pain. It's very sad to look at him that way. He is roaming around the house and this is getting stuck and he's just standing there because he's still in that anesthesia effect. So see, he's just standing there. I'm feeling sad about him. Just 1 more week. I need to be strong. I need to be okay to see him that way. Mario, da, come Nana, sleep. Mario, come, da, come, come. He's not able to sit down and sleep. He's very sleepy. He's very tired. I'm trying all the ways to make him feel comfortable, but no, he's not at all going down and sleeping. He's just standing and closing his eyes and he's trying to sleep like that. It's 10:45 and finally he settled down there in that position.
Thank you, bro. You're not really
Here you. Here you. Hi. This is the next day and Oreo is doing really good. I was worried how he will manage, but he's fine. We just took him for a walk. I was not sure if he will pee or poo, but he did all that and we quickly got him back. No more walking because we should not give him any strain, but he wanted to go to the park. No, Oreo. No, no, no. Leave it. See, he's trying to lick, but that's what we need to stop. Doctor told me I can remove the cone, but if only I can put it back. I was not sure if I can put it back, but he told me it will be a little difficult for him to sniff around for peeing or pooing. So I took a chance and I removed the cone before going out. He immediately tried to lick his wound, his stitches. I had to hold him completely. And then when we went out, other dogs were behind him. I had to stop them with a stick. He was all normal. He was behaving everything normal. The way he's running, the way he wants to jump on the footpath, everything. I was not sure of that. But yeah, however he wanted, we just went with it. I was very worried, but he was all normal. Then we got him back home immediately. Once we entered the house, I immediately put the cone back. They have put that gauze thing on the neck, and through it they have looped the cone. So I need to put a knot on the gauze. That was a little tricky, but he allowed me to do it. Now he is back to that cone thing. He doesn't know where he is going. He can't see from the sides. He can't judge the area around. But he's all active. He wants to smell. He wants to do everything as normal as possible. That's a good sign, I feel. Now I'm going to give him some food. There was a medicine prescribed for the next 7 days. I made a ball with his chicken, keeping it inside, and gave him. It was the easiest way to give him the medicine.
Only Shaw Street. Right, Alan, with the quick bowlers just doing some work out in the middle.
Eating food with the cone was not at all a trouble. Oreo is sitting there very obediently. He is struggling with that cone, but he is kind of fine. There was lot of extra attention for him, and I definitely had some fun taking advantage of his cone. Oreo, where is your tug rope? Where is it? Is tug rope? Where is it? Where is your tug rope? Let's go. Let's go. Stay. Stay, Nana. Oreo. Today we are going to the vet to take the stitches off Oreo.
आप देखना है
देखे?
कुछ भी नहीं देखते इसमें।
हाँ,
पूरा
ओके।
ठीक कर दिया।
तो अभी वो कोन डालने की जरूरत नहीं है ना?
कौन डालने की जरूरत नहीं,
अरे
ये स्टिकर है,
हाँ
वो कुछ नहीं है।
हाँ, तो सब निकाल दीजिए, थोड़ा क्लीन करके दे दीजिए
आप
ना
तो-
उस जगह पे।
हाँ नहीं, वो क्लीन करेगा, एक स्प्रे करेगा उसमें
हाँ।
एंटीबायोटिक्स का।
हाँ।
वो कुछ नहीं, पूरा हीलिंग हो गया।
We just reached home from the vet. Oreo is doing really good and he's healed really well. But there is some scratch or some rash is there still. So they told us to keep the cone for 1-2 days. And they've sprayed some antiseptic medicine on it. So 1-2 days more to get rid of that cone and to give a bath to him. At the hospital, it was stressful for Oreo because there were so many other dogs. Oreo is not so comfortable meeting every dog, and every dog has its own behavior. But while removing the band-aid and the stitches, he was completely okay. He didn't do anything. He was definitely scared because the way they held him and all was a little scary. I hope you understood how this happens, how simple it is. It's not simple for the people involved and the dog involved for sure, but it's okay. We can handle it. It's for our good. It's for the whole family's good. Let me show you where Oreo is. Oreo. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oi, Pungaru. I hope this video was informative and you gathered some information from this. Click on the screen to watch more Oreo related videos. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.